choosing the right neighborhood is one of the most important parts of planning a move. After all, it's not just about the house, it's about the lifestyle, convenience, and community that come with it. Start by thinking about what matters most to you. Do you want a quiet residential area or something closer to restaurants, nightlife, and shops? Consider your daily routine, things like commute time, access to public transportation, and nearby schools if you have kids. Safety is another key factor. Check local crime rates and visit the neighborhood at different times of day to get a true feel for the area. You'll quickly see how active, quiet, or friendly it really is. It's also smart to explore local amenities, grocery stores, parks, gyms, and healthcare options. These everyday conveniences can make a big difference in your quality of life. And of course, set a realistic budget. A great neighborhood should fit your lifestyle and your finances. Taking the time to research and visit different areas before you move ensures you'll feel confident about your new home, not just the house itself, but the community around it. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com or email contact us at movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.